These are your presents from your cousins. Presents from your cousins. Can you say thank you? Can you say thank you? Those are bubbles, Ava. Those are bubbles. Yeah. That's their way of saying thank you for letting Mommy come to my party. To their party. Those are bubbles, Aiden. Animal crackers. Oh, you're taking Aiden's toy. Ava, you just took your brother's toy. Hi, Aiden. Want me to show you how that works, Ava? Want me to show you how this works? Let me show you how this works. Say thank you. Let me show you, Aiden. Let me show you. You just put your bubbles. Ava, did you just put your bubbles in the monkey? You just put your bubbles in the monkey? You know that monkey has a history of getting jammed. You're going to put it in there too, Aiden? You like animal crackers. Ava, don't take your brother's. You like the tissue paper?